Hello, Proximity Math here, and I'm going to go over the 2020 Aime I, number 6. A flat board has a circular hole with radius 1 and a circular hole with radius 2. So the distance between the centers of them is 7. And there are two spheres with equal radii. So we can label their centers like this and draw a line across. So we have radius r. This is also r, but I'll label that later. Okay. Our tangent, and we want the square of the radius of the spheres. So first of all, we have the distance between the centers of them, of the circles, of the holes, is equal to 7, as given. So we can draw a right triangle, and watch this. This is 1, this is r, so this length is r squared minus 1. This can also be done here. This is r, this is 2, and so this, by the Pythagorean theorem, is r squared minus 2, or minus 4. Okay, and this is the difference of their heights. So the difference of these heights is squared minus 1 minus r squared minus 4 squared plus 7 squared is 49 equals, this side is just 2r, the hypotenuse. So squaring it gives 4r squared. Okay, so I'll show you how to simplify this. First of all, take 49 over to this side, then once you square this, we're going to have the sum of the squares of these two minus 2ab. So in fact, let's label this a and this b. Then a squared minus 2ab b squared equals, if you sum inside the radicals, we get b squared is this minus 2ab, I'll leave it like that, equals 4 r squared minus 49. And now adding 5 to both sides. Okay, let's start. This is 44. Okay. Subtracting 2r squared from both sides. That's 2r squared here. And dividing both sides by -2. Results in this. And we want the square radius. So we can just call that big R. And so if we multiply these, and square both sides, then we'll get rid of the radical. And we'll have big R minus 1 times big R minus 4 equals, we have a negative R plus 22 squared. So expanding, we get this. And expanding this side, we should get square minus 5r plus 4 is equal to the right hand. Subtracting r squared from both sides and adding 44r, we would get 44r minus 5r is 39r, 8r plus 4 equals this. Okay, now subtracting 4 from both sides, and finally dividing both sides by 39. This is the square of the radius, which was originally r squared. Now, this is exactly the value that the problem wants, but we have to simplify this first. Divide both sides by 3. We get 160 over 13. Okay. Now it's relatively prime, like it asked for, and simplified, I mean. And we just sum these to get 173 as our final answer. Thanks for watching.